So how you can travel the world and make $2,000 per week doing affiliate marketing using Google Ads. So in this video, I'm going to show exactly how I'm able to make over $2,000 or $4,000 per week doing affiliate marketing using Google Ads, promoting different offers, different high quality products, and traveling all around the world. So as you can see over here, right, this is my IG profile. You can follow me or DM me with whatever question you have later. But here you can see, right, this is my profile, right? This is my IG. As you can see, super affiliate marketing, right? Promoting different products online, high ticket or low ticket. You can see over here, right? If you want to have the same lifestyle, even a better lifestyle, as you can see on my IG right now over here, what you have to remember is this, right? You need to have someone who will guide you through step by step along the way and show you the correct way of actually doing affiliate marketing, right? So in this video, I'm going to show exactly how you can do it, right? So let's go straight into it. As you can see over here, right? Imagine this. You have a river, right? You have a river or a sea full of sharks. What you need is you need stepping stones. As you can see here on my screen, right? You need the stepping stones so you can walk over step by step, every step of the way across from the Hell Island to the Heaven Island over there, right? To Promised Land, to have $1,000 per week or $1,000 per day income online as affiliate marketer, right? Making money online. So as you can see over here, right? Inside the sea there are sharks. You can see sharks, right? Great white shark. Inside the sea underwater are sharks. And what are sharks? Shark is Google ad account getting shut down, Facebook ad account getting shut down, not much money for ad spend. You don't know which direction to go, what product you can choose to promote to make huge income online, right? All these are small sharks underneath, right? And what you need is you need someone, some mentor or a guide or a coach who will guide you through step by step along the way to show the ropes of how it's exactly done, step by step, right? So for example, in this campaign on Google Ads, right, I made $2,000 profit per week. So how much did I spend? I spent $400 on Google Ads in a week, right? So I made $2,400. So it means that my profit was $2,000 per week. So I made $8,000 US per month in affiliate income, in affiliate commissions, right? So I had to spend $400 per week. Okay, great. To make how much? $2,000 in profit. Example. You paid to Google pay-per-click, Google PPC, Google AdWords, $400 for one campaign for 1 week. So you get 1,000 customers who visit your landing page or your advertorial blog page or landing page, right? Pre-sale page. And out of 1,000 customers, 100 customers filed in the order form to buy the product, to Nutra weight loss supplements, right? And 40 customers out of 100 bought actually during the call center call. Like for example, for many MaxWeb, ClickBank or any other offers, you have a call center. We're gonna call the people, we're gonna call the customers and ask them exactly to purchase the product, right? So for example, available balance is payout for the offer times orders, it's 40 offers, times $60, it's $2,400, right? The supplement, the weight loss supplement costs $60. So you got $60 per sale and 40 sales is $2,400, right? Okay, great. So what you have to remember is this: you made $2,000 profit per week. So now what not to do is you need to find a balance between the demand for the order, for the offer, for the product, and over saturation with the traffic, right? On ClickBank, everyone can promote products for free. But MaxWeb and other private networks that I work with personally, and I always tell my clients and my students, go with private networks like MaxWeb or other affiliate private networks. And the reason why is because there is no much competition. It's private network. It's by invite only, okay? So I give you suggestions, right? Do not use weight loss or weight control, right, in your ads, on Google ads or YouTube ads or Facebook ads, right? Use the phrases like appetite blocker or healthier body or hunger blocker, right? Use these kind of words because that will help you to avoid getting shut down on these networks like Google Ads, Google AdWords, Google PPC, Facebook ads, Facebook advertising, right? All these networks. So if you want to connect with me, you can find me on my IG, and all the links are below in the description below this video, right? You can subscribe to my channel now, you can like this video, you can subscribe to my channel, and all the links on my social media accounts, Facebook, WhatsApp, email, Instagram, all are below in the description below. Again, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.